Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have EARFUN WavePro ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first enter settings and then go straight into connected devices. Here scroll down to connection preferences and tap on Bluetooth. Disable it for a moment and turn off your headphones. After some period of time, turn on your headphones and enable Bluetooth again. Then check if you can connect. If you still can't connect, you have to turn off your headphones and turn them back on. If you still can't connect, you have to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, you have to at first power off your headphones with our power button over here and then holding it until the lights go pink. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!